AI has improved the retail experience over the last few years, helping human experts do their jobs more efficiently, allowing retailers to boost their margins and reduce costs. Challenges like how to optimally price an item or predict when you are going out of stock are only the tip of the iceberg of the many solutions AI can offer. At Tryolabs, we've helped big retailers get a competitive advantage using AI. We can leverage market trends, develop forecasting models, and use data to predict future events. At Tryolabs, we have experience working with both e-commerce and brick-and-mortar retailers, and we have delivered outstanding results, using state-of-the-art techniques to gain key insights from different sources, like images and videos. For instance, we have built a retouching solution for one of the biggest resellers in the US, achieving 1,000 images retouched within seconds and over 50,000 automatically retouched images per day. We can also use techniques to understand content and unstructured information based on text inputs. And we have also developed the most powerful solutions that combine all forms of data, such as images, text, and tabular, to provide multidimensional product matching. Fast-track your AI strategy, reach outstanding results, and build a real competitive advantage. Let's talk.